Okay, so this is giving airport luxury. It's giving peace of mind, which I definitely need after 10 hours in economy. The front pocket is honestly one of the coolest features. No more having to balance coffee or ask my fiance to hold it while checking for my gate, making our way through the airport. Okay, so I have to start by saying that I've never owned a suitcase this nice before. My fiance and I are going on a 3-week honeymoon in Italy with our toddler, and this is officially coming with us, the Nobl all-in-one carry-on suitcase. I have been testing it out at home, packing it, rolling it around, trying every feature, and today I want to give you my first impressions, walk through all the smart details, and show you why I'm genuinely excited to travel with this. So first things first, the design is super sleek, it's minimal, modern, and just feels like really well thought out. We picked out the neutral beige color, which we love. The polycarbonate shell gives it this lightweight but super tough feel. I already know it's going to survive overhead bins, train stations, maybe even a few cobblestone streets in Florence. And the 360 spinner wheels just glide. It's smooth, it's quiet. I literally pushed it down our hall with one finger. The front pocket is honestly one of the coolest features. I'm already planning on keeping my passport, my AirPods, my laptop in here, maybe even a book during flights. And it locks, which is amazing. No more worrying if someone's unzipping your bag while you're distracted at the airport cafe. It's so much more secure than a tote or a backpack, so I feel like it's gonna give me a lot of peace of mind. Right here, we've got USA and USB-C ports, so you can charge your phone or tablet on the go. You just plug in your power bank and boom, you've got a portable charging station. I already know this is going to come in handy when we arrive at the airport in Milan and need to find hotel directions with 5% battery on our phones. Okay, so this is giving airport luxury. We can pop our phone right onto the handle, hands-free, so we can watch videos while we're waiting at our gate. And paired with the cup holder, you basically have your own little mobile lounge setup. No more having to balance coffee or ask my fiance to hold it while checking for my gate, making our way through the airport. Inside, there's a surprising amount of space. It's 35 liters, so I can really get organized. You've got compression straps, which I love because it keeps everything nice and tight. And then these waterproof toiletry pockets means no more leaking shampoo disasters. Everything just feels really clean and efficient, so I think it's going to make packing and unpacking so much less stressful. Moving on to the side hooks. This little feature might go unnoticed at first, but I actually think they're genius. I'll probably use it to hang a tote bag or maybe Sage's diaper bag, that kind of thing while we're running through the train station. It's one less thing on my shoulder and one more hand free for gelato. So we'll be flying into Milan, then heading to Tuscany, the Amalfi Coast, Matera, Puglia, down to Sicily, and ending our trip up in Venice. That means a lot of long travel days in our rental cars and switching hotels every few days. And that is why I really needed a carry-on that is organized and really easy to move. And with this Nobl suitcase, everything's in one place, tech, clothes, toiletries, and I can just roll it along like it's nothing. It's giving peace of mind, which I definitely need after 10 hours in economy. So one thing I've noticed while test packing is that the built-in laptop sleeve and cup holder, while super handy, do take up quite a bit of space inside the main compartment. And for a long trip like this, I really need to maximize every inch. It's not a deal breaker, but it's definitely something to keep in mind. You're trading some internal room for convenience. So, would I recommend the Nobl all-in-one carry-on? 100% yes, especially if you travel often, or if you've got a big trip coming up like ours and you want to feel prepared. It's stylish, smart, and clearly designed by people who understand real travel pain points, not just aesthetics. And for me, going on a once-in-a-lifetime honeymoon, I really needed something that I could trust to hold up and keep me organized, and this is it. If you're interested, I will leave the link to Nobl down below, and if you guys want to see how it holds up in action, then definitely subscribe. I'll be sharing vlogs and travel tips from Italy starting in November. So thanks for hanging out, and wish me luck with packing. Bye!